Exodus Mobile Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Exodus Mobile Wallet app is a user-friendly multi-currency wallet designed for everyday crypto management. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for casual users, but the surprising truth is that Exodus offers portfolio tracking, token swaps, and staking directly from the mobile app. On the pros side, the app supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, allows seamless swaps, and provides a visually appealing interface. Users can stake supported coins, track portfolio performance, and export private keys for full control. Security is enhanced with local key storage and optional passcode protection. On a con side, Exodus is a hot wallet, meaning it is connected to the internet, which carries higher security risks than hardware wallets. Advanced traders may find its features limited compared to dedicated trading platforms. There is no two-factor authentication built in, which may be a concern for security-conscious users. In conclusion, the Exodus Mobile Wallet app is ideal for users seeking an intuitive, all-in-one wallet for managing, swapping, and staking cryptocurrencies. While not as secure as hardware wallets, its convenience, design, and multi-coin support make it a top choice for casual and intermediate crypto enthusiasts.